Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed negative today, closing below the previous swing low and also the 20 and 40 daily moving average, which is a negative sign for the markets. On the momentum indicator side, the momentum indicator has given a sell signal, so the strategy should be to sell on rise, and this upward sloping trend line has also broken. So overall things are looking negative, and I'll be expecting a target of around 5950, 6000 levels, which is the equality of this leg. On the hourly charts, this trend line has broken on the downside, forming lower top, low bottom every time we bounce back. So the strategy should be to sell on rise. The momentum indicators on the buy side, so I'll be expecting the small retracement to complete here at this zero line to be achieved, and then give a sell signal from these levels. So in that point of time, we'll have a good consolidation in this area and then give a sharp sell off. So this resistance should be around 62.20, which is the 40 hourly moving average, and I'll not be expecting markets to go above that, so that'll be the right time to go short again. Bank Nifty has broken this upward sloping trend line, forming low top, low bottom. The momentum indicator has given a sell signal. Things are looking negative. Even the stocks are looking extremely negative to me. PNB, SBI, ICICI Bank, all of them are looking negative at this point of time. These are all heavyweights. So Bank Nifty is also looking negative because of them. Support would be around 10,900 and 10,600. Resistance would be around 11,270 and 11,450. Century Textiles is looking good. This upward sloping trend line has broken on the hourly charts. The momentum indicator is just about to give a sell signal. A small ending diagonal pattern has formed here, so I'll be expecting this ending diagonal pattern to break on the downside. So the stop loss should be maintained at 321.60. and target would be around 302 and 295. Next stock is Petronet LNG. Even this stock is looking negative. This flag pattern, a bearish flag pattern, has broken on the downside, facing resistance at 20 and 40 daily moving average. I'll be expecting a sharp sell-off in this stock. The momentum indicator on the daily chart is just about to give a sell signal, so the stop loss should be maintained at 124.50 and target would be around 119.50 and 117. So overall, friends, in the short term, I'll be having a target of around 59.50 and stop loss around 62.20 and 62.30 in the very immediate run, but I'll not be expecting markets to go above 63.50, which is our short term reversal point. If it goes above that, then the short term would change, but at this point of time things are looking negative, and I'll be expecting a good sell off from these levels. Thank you so much.